Welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring the AWS Card Clash Architecture design game on iOS. After installing the game, the next step is to walk through a series of tutorials to help you better understand the concept of the game. As you can see, the following layout is for an application that will create thumbnails, and you as the architect have to pick the right service to accomplish the proper task that's being asked on the screen. As you can see, the layout on the game has different points for different cards, and then you have what they call energy cards. So I'm just let the game play out a little bit more, but hovering over each service, it will let you basically see a hint of the service and what the actual service does. So you'll know that if you have the correct service or not before you move it into the slot. One other thing that I noticed was that the game will also deduct points if you don't select the right service. And then on the far right, you can see that it's basically a discard bin, so that if you know you don't, if you know you're not going to use that particular service, you can just kind of slide it out your way and not have those points go across you. Count against you. In addition to that, you'll notice also that the game offers a single player mode as well as a multiplayer mode. You can invite people to play with you. I didn't try that part of it yet, so I just basically went through the tutorial and then, like I said, did a single player mode. But for the most part, I thought the game was pretty beneficial. Also, kind of made you think on your feet, because if you haven't designed a lot of these systems, you're gonna, kind of dig in your knowledge base and say, okay, I know what this service is good for, and I know kind of what we're being asked to build here. But I just need to make sure it's the exact one that AWS is looking for. Because we all know AWS has the ability to do the same service, the same thing using multiple services.